Right then, I hope you're all doing well. I've just come home on a wonderful Sunday afternoon and I'm trying to think of a recipe to do with what I've got left in the fridge. So I've just come across some tomatoes which are really quite ripe and also towards the end of its shelf life. I've got some really nice Tesco Finest sourdough here. I just thought, yes, tomatoes, sourdough, waste not, want not. I had a look in the Ottolenghi recipe cookbooks I've had and I found a particular recipe from the Flavour cookbook. What I'd like to cover is the papa al pomodoro with lime and mustard seeds. That's the recipe there, and then this is what it should look like. I've not tried this dish before, but it looks really easy, really fragrant, and it is covered in the infusing section of the cookbook. So really looking forward to trying this. It's a vegan dish, super easy, super healthy. So please do check out the ingredients, which I'll put down in a list on the side. Extra virgin olive oil, ripe tomatoes, sourdough, red chilies, green chilies, a fresh lime, fresh garlic, some curry leaves and some bay leaves, black mustard seeds, palm sugar, some sea salt and some pepper, finally some basil. Super easy, so let's get on. And then to finally serve this, finally added the sourdough, which has been toasted into nice cubes, and the last remaining part of the tomatoes. To finally just serve this, going to put this into a serving bowl. And then finally, all the curry leaves and the chilli, I'm just going to drizzle this over the top to decorate. Absolutely wonderful. And we've got the lemon zest, which we're just going to sprinkle over the top as well. And the final part of the basil as well. And then finally, we've got the freshly squeezed lime juice and the aromatic oil that we've done. So all we're going to do now is just put that on the table to serve. And you can let this infuse for quite a few hours, and that's what this part of the recipe book is all about, infusing. So this is an absolute fabulous dish. It is the papa al pomodoro with lime and black mustard seeds, and it's typically known as a Tuscan peasant dish. When you've got a lot of tomatoes that are overripe and you don't want to use them for a salad, this is a superb dish, along with sourdough or bread or anything like that that's going to go out at optimal best before date. You know, it's an absolutely superb, fragrant dish. Really hope you enjoyed the show. Please do check out all my other playlists, which I've covered with from Ottolenghi's recipes. Absolutely superb. From the flavour cookbook covered by Ottolenghi in his flavour book, which I really do recommend. Also, please do subscribe to my channel. Lots of love and passion going into this show every 2 weeks, and please turn on your notifications. Really hope you enjoy the show. Enjoy.